The next step to clarify Texas abortion law may have to start where the law began.
At the end of the day, it probably really would go back to the legislature to help define exactly what that should look like.
Dr. Sharif Zafran chairs the board that oversees medical practice in Texas. The state Supreme Court wants them to give guidance to doctors who are trying to decide whether women with pregnancy complications can legally get abortions. But Zafran expects the board will stay out of it, so long as courts are involved.
This is the topic of abortion. Do you think that the court issues will ever be fully adjudicated on this?
Again, it's tough because you're dealing with a lot of hypotheticals, and it's hard to come up with every single type of hypothetical scenario.
Is there not a benefit to having help for the physicians who are tasked with making these decisions?
Possibly, but again, in the past, when we issue guidance, not following that guidance didn't necessarily mean that you could potentially be prosecuted in court still.
He says prosecutors may not agree with any guidelines the medical board issues, meaning doctors who follow the recommendations could still face criminal charges or civil lawsuits.
So I'm not sure how helpful it would be one way or the other.
While he didn't rule out ever issuing guidance, he says defining the law is not the medical board's job.
It's a very emotional subject. It's a very controversial subject. And because of that, we really have to follow the letter of the law.
We could not get in touch with Kate Cox's attorneys, who are out of the office this week. They've said she went out of state to get an abortion. For other cases still making their way through the court system, tonight the medical board says it's not its job to clarify what's legal and what's not, even if judges want them to. Teresa.